Marine Detail Supply Company, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, this is Ken with Starke Care, and today I'm going to show you how to properly remove mildew by using Starke's Mildew Clean. Okay, so let me show you how powerful Starke's Mildew Clean is. We are here aboard this Robalo, and you can tell that is some pretty nasty mold and mildew, and we're going to show you how easy it is using Starke's Mildew Clean to remove it. So simply spray it on first and foremost. So all over wherever mold and mildew is present, you're going to want to spray it on. Cover the complete area, and you're going to kind of let it dwell for a little bit. And while it dwells, it's going to start eating away on that mold. Now, the good thing about using Mildew Clean over other cleaners like bleach and such like this actually has conditioners that are in it to protect the stitching as well as your vinyl. Now, what you can do is after it's dwelled a little bit, could take multiple applications. I like to take a microfiber or even a brush and just start agitating it. And I can already see that first layer of mold really starting to lighten up. And as you know, mold is a living organism, and the only way to remove it is you have to kill it. All right, so that's how you properly use Starke's Mildew Clean. As you can see on the bow of this Robalo, it has removed all the embedded mold and mildew. My suggestion to you out there, if you don't have a spot job and you're doing a whole boat that's pretty bad, it's been a while, go ahead and pick up a gallon. But if you have any questions at all, the links will be down in the description below, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, as we'll be doing more product reviews and more product videos just like this one.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.